Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You see the emergency screen. Act quickly. Tap cancel or swipe up, then enter your passcode so the phone exits the emergency dial state. This stops accidental calls. If the display is frozen or unresponsive, force restart the iPhone using the model-specific button combination to clear the temporary lockup. Once done, make sure the lock screen is usable and the phone returns to the home or lock screen before continuing. These first steps remove the immediate alert and prepare you for settings changes. Now you want to prevent recurrence. Open Settings, go to Emergency SOS, and turn off auto call so holding the side button won't place calls automatically. This is the main cause of accidental emergency mode. Also adjust the side button and call with hold options to a safer configuration. While here, verify your emergency contacts and medical ID so legitimate alerts remain accurate. Once configured, make sure to test by locking and unlocking. This confirms the phone won't trigger SOS unintentionally. Finish by restarting the iPhone to ensure setting changes take effect. Then test normal button presses to confirm emergency mode no longer activates. If the phone still enters emergency mode, update iOS because bugs can cause false triggers. As a last resort, reset all settings, keeps data, clears preferences, or reach out to Apple support for hardware diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: if side buttons stick, clean around the switches and inspect for debris. Physical faults often mimic software problems and cause repeated
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.